Yeah. But here. I'm giving you a different scenario. So imagine you doing your test. Imagine I'm the examiner and I'm giving you no instructions and no directions. So you decide where you're gonna go now.
So straight ahead. I'll position myself on the right.
From here, look at the road markings on the floor. What they're telling you.
So that one is if you're going there, you're only turning right, and that one there, you're going straight ahead or turning left.
So where we need to position now then?
We're positioning more straight ahead.
So do you think that the lane markings helps you now?
Yeah.
If there was no lane marking, then of course it's confusion. But the lane, but also what about the signboard?
The signboard is saying we're going.
Same thing as well.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah. A giveaway. Have a look. Can I go?
Yeah. But here. Okay, mirrors and signal down. Okay, and then carry on going. Don't worry, we'll talk about this in a minute.
Okay.
Cancel your signal. Don't worry about it, just focus ahead. Tell me what happened on the major roundabout.
So after I was going straight ahead, instead of me actually leaning more towards where the middle point is, the island is, I was trying to follow the road, but that is the road for turning right.
What is a risk you were taking that time?
So there was no indication telling anyone I was turning right if I was turning right, so that was a hazard there.
But can we turn right from the left lane?
No.
Okay, what other risk you think?
The other people coming that are going straight ahead.
From where?
So the people that were coming straight ahead from the left.
From the McDonald's?
Yeah. Is that the McDonald's?
Yeah.
Where near the island is?
Yeah. That's little. Yeah. So from there. Now, so imagine, so you're on the left lane, and we know the left lane is only for left turning and ahead. How can we tell?
The road markings.
The road markings. And imagine that you are driving, you're here, keeping your car here. Your mom, however, here, and she want to go right because she want to go home. But as we go forward, the rule says the right lane is only to go right. So what you're doing, as you're going forward, you're coming here. Now your mom potentially be looking where? Mainly right. And she's gonna come out. She might gonna glance there. Your mom was not expecting this car to come into her path. Maybe expecting people from the McDonald's coming her path. So most likely she's gonna glance over there. And the next thing she know that as she move forward, bang. Because this road user, which is potentially you, decided to go into her path. So who would be at fault? When we are doing a major roundabouts, mainly, your approach was fine, everything was good. Do you understand what's the meaning of lane discipline?
Yes, but I do not execute it.
Do you understand? I mean, this is again, maybe most instructors don't use this, but I use, because my learners remember that. I use this word, 2 words. Number 1, moon crescent, or follow the left curb. Which one do you think you remembered?
I think I only remember follow the left curb.
So you keep it there. Or like a moon crescent. So what you should have done, as you look to the right, nobody's coming. You looked ahead. Then you look near to that island. Your car go near to the island. Then you check your mirrors, signal. And go. Do you understand it now better?
Yes.